So here's how to get Shopify free trial days. But before we start, if you want to try out Shopify for free, click on my link down in the description. So starting off, once you're on this page, go to the top and click on Pricing. Open the page in a new tab. Over here, you can view all the available monthly and yearly Shopify plans along with their prices. But to try it for free, just click on my link down in the description. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Choose how you want to sign up from here. For example, Google account. Log in to your Google account to continue to Shopify. Then, click on Confirm as shown. You have now successfully started your Shopify free trial for 3 days. If you want to stay and keep the subscription for 3 more months, then you can fill in the details required for the subscription on this page. For example, name, card number, address, and more. Once you're done, click on Subscribe for $1 below. You can also click on Skip at the bottom if you don't want the 3-month subscription. Click on Skip again. You're all set and have 3 days left in your trial. And that is exactly how to get Shopify free trial days.